Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Zendesk and Thryv. So let's dive into it. So talking about Zendesk and Thryv, both aim to simplify customers management, but they cater to different users. Zendesk is built for growing teams that need powerful tools for Salesforce, support and automation all in one. It offers smart AI chat, advanced analytics, and a streamlined integration, perfect for scaling businesses. The downside is it can feel pricey and complex for beginners. And talking about Thryv, on the other hand, is designed for small business that wants all-in-one system with scheduling, invoicing, client management. It's simple, affordable, and it gets job done without tech headache. However, it lacks deeper CRM features and the flexibility is very minimal. So in my own opinion, Zendesk went for bigger teams while Thryv shines for small business owners who want easy automation without the learning curve. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.